Hello there, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Today we're going to look at the Jackery Solar Saga 100 watt portable solar panel for the Explorer 240, 300, 500, and 1000 power stations. It's a foldable US solar cell solar charger with USB outputs for phones. And note this can't be used with the 440 and Power Pro. Founded in California in 2012, Jackery specializes in providing outdoor green power solutions for Explorers. They also have several other products in this listing, so check those out as well. It's a quiet generator and this panel offers eco-friendly, quiet, and clean power, ideally suited for outdoor life and unexpected power outages. Its high conversion efficiency rate is up to 23%, so you can generate more energy and perform better than conventional panels in hot weather. And don't forget, it does have USB outputs, so you can charge small devices like phones, tablets, digital cameras, and more. Now let me share with you a fantastic review by Andy, a verified purchaser. Very well constructed, good quality. Tried it on my Jackery Explorer 500, got 67 watts, which I thought was excellent considering it was on a December day in Vancouver Island in Canada. I'm looking forward to trying it out more if the rain ever stops here. All in all, it seems to be an excellent product, although not the least expensive. Well, there you go, you can pick it up on Amazon Prime though, which means free shipping and free delivery. So order today, you're gonna love it.